What's going on, guys? It's Mr. Boosted here, aka Alan, and today I'm installing a short throw shifter in the Audi, only because if y'all remember in my one video I posted, was it slammed enough when I was in Florida? Yeah, slammed enough I think it was. Shifter sheared off on me when I put it in reverse, so for a while I was doing a 13mm socket with a 3/8 extension. It's working good, but you know, it's not factory, or it's not OEM, or it's just not, it doesn't work. I mean, it works, but it's just not right. So I'm fixing it finally. Yeah, so this is, sorry. Here's the funny thing is, I ordered a shifter off ECS, and nowhere in the descriptions did it say it was for a 5-speed only. So I got it, didn't make a video of it because I wasn't really feeling it. So I didn't make a video of it. Well, then I found out that it was for a 5-speed, not a 6-speed. So they sent me the new one. It's a short throw shifter. This car already had a pretty short throw in it to begin with, but it's all factory. So I don't know if it's just the 6-speed, because my buddy Alan that has the 04, 03 Audi, it's a 5-speed. It's not as short as mine. Either way, so you won't get to see the assembly part because of obvious reasons. It's already apart, and I don't know, I have no idea what gear it's in. It's been parked out there for like a week and a half now, and I've just been slipping the hell out of the clutch, getting it in and out. Oh well. So yeah, we're gonna get to it here, and the only thing you need to keep on this from your OEM is your spring, and luckily this is the only thing I know where this is the only thing I have, because I have no idea where the rest of the crap went, because I had a buddy with me and he just kind of threw it in the back seat, got lost, yada yada. So you won't see the assembly part on this, but I'm going to try and show you the assembly part. I'm here by myself, so no one can hold the camera but me. So you're probably just going to be able to, like, only going to get like of me what to do, telling you what to do, and the finished product. Luckily, ECS has a nice thing you can print off here that has pictures in it, which is my favorite. Pictures help so much for me. English is hard for me, as you can tell by my stuttering problem. So yeah, we're going to get started here. This is the shifter. This is a shifter. This is what you shift with. Yeah. I know you gotta take this set screw out and take it apart so you can put it in the collar of this thing right here. Because, you know, half of it will go on the bottom of this, and the other, you know, to go in the middle of that. So you can shift. Rating on a scale of how to take this apart, easy. I mean, just be cautious because it's your first time. You know, if you've never done it before, just watch yourself. So I'm going to do some steps here and come back to you guys with it, and hopefully it kind of gives you an idea. I'm gonna try my best here, so bear with me. It's been a really shitty day, so I'm gonna stutter a lot. Yeah, I'll see you. Okay, no, I haven't done any steps yet, but I just wanted to say something now, because if not, I'll forget about it. It'll be in the car, you won't be able to see it. How these 6 speeds are with the reverse, you got to push down, put it like where first would be for reverse, and on this little where'd it go? Where's it at? This little gray piece, collet, I don't know what you want to call it, whatever. You see like this little hook right there, it's on my nose right now, that right there. When you push this down to go to reverse, mine's really worn out, and it's probably because of the way I was putting it in reverse before. So you can kind of see here, I think this is what I'm thinking of, like this little, like, yeah, you can see where all the wear marks are and stuff on it. That's where it will slide up into, and by the magic of how this transmission works, it puts it in reverse. Not too sure, but that's just the video I saw, that it has to, that's basically how you put it in reverse. So, and how I used to put it in reverse is I would like jam it down to, like, I was trying to go into second and then jam it forward really fast, and it would somehow go in reverse. Like I said, I don't know how it worked. It didn't work right. I mean, it worked, but it obviously wasn't correct. So yeah, first thing you want to do is this. If you have the same, if you don't have the, fuck, bro, English is hard. Yeah, if you buy the same one, you got to loosen this set screw up, and then loosen this, back this out, and basically just take this apart, because this ball right here with these two little, like, bearings, if you will, is going to sit in here. It'll basically sit down there. That's what you pivot on, pretty much. Man, my stuttering problem is bad. Did you see that? Like, that was like tripping over words right there, dog. I mean, like I said, English is hard, all right? So yeah, loosen that up, you back it out, and at the end of this, see, here we go again. I'm going to link this part in the description, because in that part, the the part, the part page, whatever you want to call it, will have a PDF file that has this. You can download that. It's pretty simple. It's pictures. It's easy. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so once you take the set screw out and you take off your shaft, yeah, basically you take this off, this little set screw. And the funny thing is, they tell you don't take that set screw all the way out because you'll lose it. Took it all the way out and lost it. So yeah, that's the problem I'm already running into. Like I said, it's been a really bad day. Either way, you take that out, you unthread this all the way. They said this won't be tight, but it was hella tight. So then you take your spring cover boots off, and you come over here, and in this kit they give you a snap ring and then what do they call these kind of clamps? Yeah, those clamps, ear clamps or something like that. You're gonna put both these retainers are the same, and you're gonna put the seal in one of them right here, and you're gonna put it in face down. So what I did is I lifted it up and kind of held the what do you want to call this? The shifter base, yeah, the shifter base upside down, and just shove that bearing in, and then basically this little pivot thing just kind of, hold on, well, I can't get it out with one finger, but yeah, you just slide that in, and then you match up this groove right here on the back, and you just go. Yeah, and I am scratching the hell out of my roof. I know, I don't care anymore, to be honest with you. Yeah, like I said, I can't do this with one hand. So yeah, that's just what I'm at. So that's where I'm at. So I'm sure for this, I'll put it in the car with the shifter, hook the shifter up at the bottom, push it up. Yeah, you get the point.
I figured why not let you see and laugh and struggle trying to put the snap ring in. So let's enjoy this process right here. Spring's pretty stiff. You're gonna slide it all the way down there. Can't see what I'm doing. Yep, like that. Come on. Oh, is that super? Come on. See, this is just ignorant, right? Yeah, buddy. Hey, yeah, bud. Go get him. I don't know if you're there or not, but yeah. This is a struggle bus right now, dog. Okay, let's reevaluate this. Ow, finger. So yeah, what you're gonna want to do. I'm gonna fast forward all this because this is gonna be dumb. This is about a 30-minute video, but I'm not gonna run. I mean, you know what I mean. So yeah. You think it looks so easy, don't they? I hate these snap rings. Oh, there's something out there. What was that? Okay, we're good, Jake. Just keep pushing her. Okay, pushing. Okay, I'm about to get there. Flying the hammer a little faster. But you're not supposed to use a hammer. You said do it by with your hands. That's not correct. Yeah, I know. Sorry, again, being dumb. Okay, well, so this is, I knew I shouldn't, I'm not leaving out of this thing. This is kind of embarrassing. Now, see, like, look at this. I'm gonna show you this right here, like. Look how easy he makes it look. Look how easy he makes it look. Just one finger, bro. One finger, one solid finger. I'm gonna try it and watch it work. Oh, boys. This sucks. This actually sucks. I'll go on doing the videos, everybody. Y'all not see this.
All right, this is bolted in. You're gonna want to do this top bolt first, selector bolt first. So Allen head, that is, where'd it go? It is it's a 6mm Allen head. This one and that one is. That bottom one's really gonna fight you because it took me literally, I kid you not, about a half hour to 45 minutes fighting that one bolt to get it to start. Because the way it is that right there will lean down, and this is up higher, and it goes in at an angle anyways. So you had I kind of had like fish my hand underneath here, hold the bottom part of the shifter up to it. But once you get those started, first off, get this one in, and all these four of these selector rods, whatever you want to call them, started, bolted. Then once you get that bottom bolt started, you can do these two nuts. In the instructions, it says you don't have to mess with those, but I just either that made it easier or maybe made it fight more. I don't know. I'm really frustrated, so here we go. All right, just drove the Audi around the parking lot, got her to shift really goodly. A little tip on adjusting this thing. The top adjuster right here is basically just for you to center up the base and everything. I don't know if it's just the bearing because it's new, but it's really stiff. But I mean, it works. What you want to do is you basically just want to make sure it goes in every gear smoothly. And then when you want to adjust it, the bottom Allen bolt, you just loosen it and you just basically just tap it. Because what they have on it is this plate right here. What's that? You see that? That silver plate with the Allen head? Yeah. It has like these ridges on it that it basically it's how it adjusts itself because it's a big offset circle. And you do that and you bump it, and it just slightly, ever so slightly moves the shifter on the rod, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, it can be a very pain, but it didn't take long for me actually. It's not very short. I mean, just compared to what it used to be, it's not as impressive as I thought it was going to be, but I don't care. I have a shifter now. And then basically after that, you just kind of put all your interior pieces back together. And oh, with this, you can use your factory shift knob, which I have to find. And I need to put this piece back on. Oh, well, yeah, that goes, I guess where that goes. So yeah, it's pretty much done. Like I said, I know this wasn't a very good video on informal of it, but I'll link it in the description of the part for it, so if y'all can find the PDF if you buy this. I mean, it really seems really, bro, I'm sorry, I've just been a bad day. It seems like, what was I even saying? Either way, it works. But I'll put a link in the description for it if you guys want to check it out. I know I probably left some things out, so I apologize for it, and that's really about it. So if you're new to the channel and you enjoyed the video, enjoyed my stuttering problem, my stupidity problem, hit that subscribe button, like it, comment, whatever you want to do. So really, that's it. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.